Hey guys, it's me, Firewolf14 here, back with another video, and I'm back with Would You Rather. And the last time the last time I made a video on this, I answered the question if I would rather know when the world ends or know how the world ends. And I said I would want to know how the world ends so I can prevent it. And I did not see how much percentage people guessed it. 62% guessed it. Or should I say 60 poo? Next one. When you rack up a new toilet paper roll, would you rather have it facing the wall or have it facing away from the wall? Away from the wall. Like if a sink is next to the toilet, like next to it, I would have it will be to the side, like on the cabinet, like on the sink, like on the cabinet the sink is on. Wow, 75% agree. Would you rather sleep on a pillow with a blood stain? I am not sleeping on a pillow with a blood stain or uncomfortable pillow. Would you rather be the parent of Adolf Hitler? Neither. Watch Batman. Batman and The Dark Knight are the same thing. Basically, are you asking me if I want to watch Batman or Batman? I'd rather watch Batman in 2008. I don't want to watch the old Batman. I want to watch the new. Yeah, I was right. See which Batman. There's two. I was right when I said they're both Batman. But you know one is a drug dealer. You know one is a liar. I don't want to be known as either. Only listen to bagpipe music. I don't want to listen to any kind of those musics. Forget who you were. Forget whoever you know is. I want to know who I am and who my friends are. I've heard of Rebecca Black, so I would rather listen to Justin Bieber, even though his music is so gay. No hard feelings, Justin Bieber. you rather eat all your meals where the food is freezing cold, eat all your meals with hot potatoes with salt poured on it? I don't want to be cold. I'd rather a high blood pressure than to have like a freezing cold meal. So basically, next question. Would you rather be the first to climb Mount Everest, or there was already a first person on the moon? I forget his first name, but I know his last name was Armstrong. Well, let's skip it. Where's okay? Lose your front teeth in a skateboarding accident. Break your hand on a bike. Like if you lose your teeth, you would look awful. Your face will lose its good looks. But if you break your hands, you can still look good, and you get to wear a sweet cast on your hand, so it looks like you're in a motorcycle gang. I'd rather like my hands or look good with like I'm in a motorcycle gang. Vroom vroom. You will eventually recover from both. Thanks! I should have looked at that first. Next question. Watch or Santa, the Goonies. Never heard of either. Be dipped with assaulted by a stranger. Be slapped across the face. Be slapped across the face. Ow! I'd rather get slapped than that. I don't want to get insulted. That's just mean and hurtful. I'd rather get slapped across the face. Ow! Why you always get slapped in the face whenever I get slapped in the face? Ow! I'll fake crying. Tea or coffee? Tea calms you down. Coffee just makes you hyper, and when the hyperness wears off, you're tired and you're not in a good mood. I'd rather drink tea. Because tea is so soothing. It soothes you. You don't need coffee to get soothing. See? a lot of people to choose too. Would you rather never be able to hear your favorite song again, or never be able to watch and hear my favorite song again, and I want to watch my favorite movie and listen to my favorite song? Oh, you're so benevolent. I want to die. No. Only be photographed. I wish I was able to make it look like I was photographed. Only be filmed. So basically, they're saying, well, if you were photographed, you basically only be filmed. What I'm doing right now, filming. I'm filming right now, and people who only want to be photographed or don't do YouTube full time. I think I don't do it full time. I do school sometimes, so I don't want to be filmed. What? People want to be photographed? About 47% lose $250 in the stock market. The weird thing is, I don't have $250. And the second thing is, I don't go into the stock market. Like peanut butter off a hook. What is a obsession with hobos? Be a raincar, be a starlight. I don't know what that means. Get B's and C's at an Ivy League school. Get A's on a standard. A's? I don't get A's at a standard university. I don't care what the score is. I'd rather get A's. I don't want to get a B. I want to get A's. Constantly stumble when walking. If I was stumbling when walking, I'd rather get a wheelchair because I don't want to stumble when walking. And if I constantly and talking. I'd rather sound weird than look weird. Stumbling stunners. Next question. Work 10 hours a day. 4 days a week. Work 8 hours a day, 5. 8 hours. That's not that bad. 8 hours. I'd rather 8 than 10. Because if I work 8 hours, I get the rest of the day off. Okay, guys, one more question. Never mind. Okay, guys, then be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, hit the notification button.